Let's continue with page 107, Fun with Vocabulary. A, read and match. 1. That's a picture of a truck. So the answer is a truck driver. And this kind of truck is called like semi or 16-wheelers. 2. It's a mechanic. This kind of car, there are 2 doors, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. One side there are 2, the other side there are another 2. So these are called sedan. That's a sedan. And looks like the back side, it doesn't have a full trunk. So it looks like a hatchback to me. This kind of trunk is called hatchback. The full trunk is like longer, extended longer. Number 3, it's a cashier, and this machine is called a cash register. Okay, 4, it's a painter. These are all different types of paint. 5, teacher's aide, same as teacher's assistant. And 6, you see this phone? You could transfer, you could do many things. It's called receptionist. Now, circle the words in the puzzle. Fix, count, mechanic, server, clean, answer, sell, cashier, custodian. So if you couldn't find it, there's the answer for you already circled. Now let's turn to page 108. I'll play you the track. After you listen, you could answer the questions.
Review, Units 7 and 8. Page 108. Review Units 7 and 8. Exercise 1. 1.
Jewel, what's your job?
I'm a cashier at City Cafe.
2.
What do you do, Jewel?
I count money.
So for number 2, does he serve food? The answer is no, he doesn't. Shows a cashier. He counts money. That's why the answer is no. 2, he doesn't.
3. Luz, what's your job?
I'm a receptionist at ShopSmart.
So she's a receptionist.
4. What do you do, Luz?
I answer phones.
Does she answer the phone? Yes, she's a receptionist. She answers the phones.
5. Look, pants are on sale.
What color are the pants?
They're blue.
They're looking at some pants, and the pants are on sale. It means it's lower than the regular price. Regular price is a retail price. It's a discounted price. It's on sale. And it said it's blue.
6. Excuse me, how much are the pants?
They're $19.99.
$19.99? Thanks.
So it's $19.99. So 2 vocabulary, right? Complete the story. So you're going to use these words. Cars, clothes, mechanic, $9.99, $9.99. Salesperson, shirt. A new shirt. You see? Capitalize the title. even though it's only one letter word, the first word of a sentence or a title, you must capitalize. That's why it's capital A instead of lowercase a. A new shirt. Sam is a mechanic. He fixes cars. Today, he is at Shop Smart. He needs a blue shirt. Shirts are on sale. Brenda is a salesperson. She sells clothes at Shop Mart. How much is the shirt? It's $9.99. So Sam, again, proper noun, capitalized. It's the name of the person. He fixes. Everything is a third person plural, singular. That's why you need ES. ES is attached to X. Today, he, third person singular, is Shop Smart. That's the proper noun. That's why you have to capitalize the name of the store. He needs the blue shirt. Again, third person singular. You need S. Shirts, now it's a plural. Third person plural. That's why you need R. Brenda. It's a girl's name. It's a third person singular. Boy's name, equivalent name for boys is Brandon. Brandon. You need third person singular form of to be verb is she sells. Again, you need S. How much is the shirt? It's $9.99. Now, let's take so all these sentences are what? Just regular sentences. It's called statement. From here to here, okay, except one. There's a one question sentence. Everything else, statements. So let's take a look at our basic 4 English sentence types. So these are the 4. Declarative sentence. It's just a statement. It's called a simple sentence or a statement. Fancy word is declarative. Interrogative means question. So you can call it question sentence. Fancy word, interrogative. Again, command sentence. Fancy word is imperative. Means order. You order someone to do. That's command. Now the last one, exclamation sentence. Exclamative sentence. T-I-O-N. Exclamation. T-I-O-N. This is in a noun form. Exclaim is a verb. Anything ends in T-I-V-E, that's an adjective. So you see T-I-V-E, declarative sentence is an adjective, noun. Everything. Declare is a verb. Declarative, change into adjective form. Interrogate is a verb. Interrogative, now adjective form. Exclaim, verb. Exclamative, adjective. So English, you can just, by changing the suffix, you could change into different form for each word. So change from verb to noun form. Just, you call that parts of speech. So let's take a look. So the 4 types of sentence here: declarative, statement, interrogative, question, imperative, command, exclamative, exclamation. And here's an example. Declarative. It's just a simple statement. It's a simple sentence. Example sentences here. John likes Mary. In final punctuation is a period. Function is what? It usually tells us something. Interrogative, question. It asks us something. Does Mary like John? So you need a question for the punctuation mark. Imperative is a command. It tells us to do something, like stop. Close the door. So it could be exclamation point or a period. And the last one, exclamative, means exclamation. It expresses surprise. What a funny story he told us. So it ends with exclamation point. So this is an example. So please study, because this is the basic for different types of sentences. Now let's go to page 109. Grammar. Complete the sentence. Use is or are. Again, is for singular, are for plural. How much is a t-shirt? That's why you are using is. T-shirt is only one. One means singular. Now, the pants, it ends with s. It's the plural. That's why how much are the pants? Again, shoes, it ends with es. It's a plural. Are, how much are the shoes? Now just a sweater. How much is the sweater? Read and circle, then write. Does Kayla count money? Yes, she does. 2. Does she clean buildings? No, she doesn't. So when you answer with yes, you have to answer it in a positive sentence. That's why you cannot say yes, she doesn't. American English, you can't say yes, she doesn't. It's always yes, she does. Positive answer, yes, you have to always have a positive answer. Does. Same thing, no. When you say no, you have to say no, she doesn't. You cannot say no, she does. It makes like no sense. 3. Does Alan fix cars? It gave you no. So you have to say no, he doesn't. Or you can say no, he does not. But you can't say no, he does. You can mix negative and positive. It doesn't work that way. That's just how it is. Number 4, does he serve food? You want to answer with yes. So you have to answer in positive sentence. Yes, he does. Now let's listen to the pronunciation.
Page 109, review units 7 and 8. Exercise 4A.
That's a short E sound.
Red. Red.
Now there's a short I sound.
6. 6.
Bus. Bus.
That's a short U sound. Please remember your vowel sounds. All the short vowel sounds. Short A, short E, short I, short U, O. And these are the example for short E's, short I's, and short U's. You could repeat after it as usual.
Page 109. Review units 7 and 8. Exercise 4B.
Red.
When.
I. 6.
His.
Bus.
Much.
So for part C, we're going to distinguish between short E's, I's, and U's. I'll play you the record. All right, I'll play you the track, and you guys could mark the correct answer.
Page 109. Review units 7 and 8. Exercise 4C. 1.
Red. Red.
Did you hear that? Red, the short E.
2. Much. Much.
Much, that's short U.
3.
His. His.
His, Did you hear that? That was short I.
4. 6. 6.
6, Again, short I.
5.
When.
When, that's short E. Now, let's solve our workbook. It's gonna be Unit 8. It's gonna start from page 90. Before we start, I'm gonna show you different style of cursive. So the one cursive I showed you, usually the lower cases, they almost look the same. It's just the capital. So take a look at this one. Some capital words are a little bit different. So you just have to know. Because not all the cursive like capitals look the same. There's a little bit change in shape. But they're almost the same. So I just want you to know. And starting today, I'll be writing some of the answers in cursive so you could practice. So here's our Unit 8, Pinterest Basic Workbook, page 90. That's magnified so everybody could see well. Complete the words. Mechanic, server, the same as waiter or waitress. 3, salesperson, same as sales clerk. 4, receptionist. 5, custodian, same as could be a caretaker. Caretaker, probably caretaker of the house. It's pretty much the same job. You clean the places. But if it's like a house, it's like a caretaker. Janitor is like a building. Superintendent is in charge of like apartment complex or townhomes. They do everything. You could call the superintendent super for short. Now 6, cashier. You can find the words from exercise 1. So take some time. You can have fun with this puzzle. Page 91. Listen and number. So let's listen together.
Unit 8. Work. Page 91. Exercise 3. Track 26. 1. What does she do?
She's a salesperson.
2.
What does she do?
She's a receptionist.
So number 1 is Cecilia. She's a salesperson. Both C's in this word is going to have S sound because the first one is followed by letter E. The second one is followed by letter I. If C is followed by letter E or an I, it's going to have a soft C sound, which is same as S sound. S. That's why her name is Cecilia. And number 2 was receptionist. So which one looks like a receptionist to you? I think Fatima. This is number 2. She is a receptionist. Looks like she's answering calls.
3.
What does he do? He's a custodian.
What does he do? He's a custodian. Custodian cleans buildings. Schools, hospitals, any kind of building. So he's a custodian. Bruno is a custodian.
4. What's his job? He's a cashier.
He's a cashier. Edward is a cashier. Edward, you can call it Ed for short.
5.
What's her job?
She's a mechanic.
So Kathy, now C is followed by letter A. That's why it's going to have hard C sound, which is same as K. Kathy, she's a mechanic. She looks like she's fixing the car. So it's called automobile. Same as car, automobile. That's why she's called an auto mechanic or a mechanic, auto mechanic. Same as grease monkey. Again, that's a slang term.
6.
What's his job?
He's a server.
So Gabriel. Gabe is short for Gabriel or Gabby. Usually, as I said, boys don't like to be, called something with E sound like Gabby, Tommy until, they reach high school. No, once they reach high school, they think it's too cute for boys. So they just like to be called Tom or Gabe, instead of like Gabby and Tommy. But this name, you could call Gabe for short. So he's a server. Now look at the pictures in exercise 3, match. Fatima is a receptionist. So Cecilia is the salesperson. Bruno is what? Custodian. For Gabriel is a server. Kathy is a mechanic. So corresponding girl's name for Gabriel would be Gabrielle. Boy's name, Gabriel. Girl's name, Gabrielle. It ends with, instead of E-L, you need another L-E. E-L-L-E. Like Cinderella, Gabriella. Or it could be Gabrielle. 92. Now let's look at the table here. So jobs. So horizontal. Now this is horizontal. This is vertical. So you got to put some check marks. For jobs as a server, you server serves food. Check. Mechanic, grease monkey. What do they do? She or he fixes cars. Salesperson sells clothes. Receptionist answers the phone. Custodian cleans buildings. And cashier counts money.